Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dagster example projects for data pipelines easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Dagster example projects for data pipelines, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Dagster GitHub repository. In the repository, locate the examples directory. Click on the examples link to access various sample projects. Identify the specific example project that interests you. Click on the project folder to explore its contents. To download the project, look for the green code button. Click the code button to reveal a drop-down menu. You can choose to either clone the repository using Git or download it as a zip file. If you prefer to clone, copy the provided URL. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type git clone followed by the URL you copied. Press enter to start cloning the repository to your local machine. If you opted for the zip file, click on Download Zip. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All to unzip its contents. Now, navigate to the unzipped folder to find the example project. Open your preferred code editor to explore the project files. Make sure to read the README file for setup and usage. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded a Dagster example project for your data pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.